evening. I have some assistance for today's video. Hey Rex and Beckham, what kind of car is this?
The 2020 Acura TXL.
Oh, he almost got it. It's a TLX, not a TXL, but close enough. Look at that beautiful paint. Do you guys like the paint? What's your favorite thing about this car?
The
The color is pretty phenomenal. All right, well, without further ado, there is the PMC edition TLX. This is my brother's backyard. I couldn't think of a better place to do this, especially because the Valencia red paint is very nicely accentuated by his grass. The 2020 is a special TLX. Oh, hello. I have a helper here. What's your name? I don't know whose dogs these are. There's another one coming to help me. I have all kinds of help today. Hey, buddy. This review is going a little bit differently than I planned, but that's part of fun, right? Oh, hi. Okay, where was I? So this is a special TLX. It's not just like any other 2020. It's called the PMC edition, and that, for those of you who aren't in the know, is Performance Manufacturing Center, otherwise known as the NSX factory in Marysville, Ohio. This car is assembled by the same skilled technicians who put together the Acura NSX, and it is hand built. This is one of only 360 total units that were made for model year 2020. Here's a look at the interior of the TLX PMC edition. The car that I'm driving was built June of 2019, so it was one of the first that was rolled off the line for this edition. It is numbered here on the center console as number 27 out of 360 total. And as much of an Acura diehard fanboy as I am still going to reference the window sticker here that I have handy with me just to remind myself of the tech specs. This does have a 3.5 liter V6 with VTEC, 290 horsepower motor with variable cylinder management. The transmission on the car is a 9-speed automatic with paddle shifters. You'll see on the steering wheel up there. Just for a second, I'll talk about some of the specific PMC details that set this apart from another TLX, starting with, of course, the paint job, which you can't really get enough of. It is just completely unmistakably delicious. So the black wheels are a PMC edition exclusive, as well as the black door handles. We have a black roof up here, a little lip spoiler on the trunk, nice looking aggressive diffuser back here. Just an all-around really nice looking car. So in here, we're going to show a little bit about the cabin. This, of course, is your push button drive selector. We're not going to touch that, but that is the button that you would push with the brake depressed, of course, to get into drive. We have a dual screen infotainment setup here with the map up above. That's because I was using it for some Navi earlier. And then, of course, your climate and audio controls down here. Beckham, can you reach the sunroof button? It's right here. Actually, it's back here. Pull that back like this. Yeah, so there you go. Wow. Okay. You're sold on it. So in here, we've got some awesome, it looks like suede and leather seats with the red accent stitching. Car's a little dirty because, again, I've been driving it 800 miles so far. This is your A-spec aluminum door sill trim. So here's some of the feature content. Without getting into too much detail, you all can reference this online if you want. The car does come in at around $50,000, which when you consider the fact that historically you couldn't get a advanced package and an A-spec package in the same car. This is an example of something you can do that with. And it comes with all your Acura watch, safety tech, some interior feature content, and a lot of bang for the buck. So that, my friends, is the PMC edition TLX. All right, well, see you guys later.